Hey guys, something different for you today. This is the Xbox 360, bit of retro gaming for you. If you're struggling to get the CD tray to eject like this, then the first thing you want to do is take off the front cover. Potentially recommend turning this off, but for this video I won't bother. You can see, let me just lower this down for you. Okay, so that should be a better angle for you. So you can see here, it's ejecting. So if it wasn't ejecting, I would recommend doing these 3 holes here you can use. For me, I've been using this one. You get a paper clip like so and you force it in there, and it will force the disc out. There you go. That forces it out like so. If you get to this point, I would leave it open for a second. And what you'd want to do, so I'll probably just put this back on for now. So it could be catching on here potentially, not sure. But for me, I'm going to clip this back on. I'm going to hold the tray and I'm going to turn off the Xbox. So here we go. I'm not sure if you can see it. I'll try and zoom in. Just above the tray here is a little, can you see that wheel? It's gone out of focus there, but there's a wheel moving there. Can you see that? So basically, you just want to get like a Q-tip and some rubbing alcohol potentially, and you just want to hold it there and like move that in and out like that. And you'll get some dirt off there potentially. Now, it should start working okay. It's kind of cool getting back with these older gen consoles. But hopefully, if some of you guys are having this issue, then yeah, you can still use your Xbox. Okay guys, hope that helps, and I'll see you in the next one.